friends. Good evening to all of you. I myself Harpreet Kaur. Now we'll be discussing about a very usual fact that is coming in year 2020, that is corona. Corona has been a very infectious disease that is very prevalent in our society, in the whole world, and of course it is prevalent in our regions, in various regions, and of course our lovely country India. Also, we should also know how we can stop the corona influence. First of all, we should know how corona has been created. Corona is a very infectious disease that is created from the decay and decomposed matter, and also the usual meat and that we eat, that is not roasted, or that is given to like pigs and hens that are being cutted and not roasted, and we eat like this, or snakes that the Chinese eat like this, is the fact that the corona has been spreading. Mainly the corona has been spreading from China and has come to India. The people from all over the world where the China has been China is living, China people has been loving, China people is been living, so that people is mostly the occurrence of the corona disease. Mainly in India it is not influential, but due to certain facts that the people are using the packets or the things like meat, roasted food, or like things, mainly the litter, mainly the fact that India is suffering from the infectious disease is due to the decompose or the litter part, or the dustbins are not been cleaned, and such facts like there is no cleanliness everywhere in India. So due to non cleanliness in India, the corona disease is spreading. So we should know how to combat or to stop corona. First of all, we should know that how to wash our hands. Washing hands is the main reason that we can stop the corona influence. So we should know how to wash your hands. First of all, we should know we should use sanitizer daily, and sanitizer should be a usual daily routine, that we should use sanitizer every time when we do any work, so as to stop the coronavirus. As well as we can use other mask and head cap and the gloves. If we are going to a hospital or any other office or anywhere, we should use mask is the mainly thing that we can stop the influence or the spread of coronavirus. Two people who are talking to each other, if we wear masks, we can stop the communication, or with us you can stop, either we can stop the influence of corona and not spreading between, because coronavirus is mainly spreading to the communication between the two people. If we wear mask, that can eradicate the influence of coronavirus. Also, we can say that by wearing gloves, if we are doing or going to a job, professional, or the whole professions that are going to hospital, going to office, or doing any other work, like the labor people also, or any other work they are doing, they should wear the gloves, because if they are doing the lower work also, then also they should wear gloves, because gloves are the only protective that they can eradicate the influence of coronavirus, and that can protect them from the influence of coronavirus. So in India, it has been a reason that the corona is influencing almost 10 lakh people is been influenced by the corona spread, and almost it has reached the 30 lakh people are been dying from coronavirus, and this is a very big reason that corona is threatening the whole environment of India. So we should also know that corona should be stopped. If corona is not stopped, then it can influence the every year, and it will be unreachable for us to reach or to stop the influence of coronavirus. Also, we should know that wearing lots of accessories or buying too much and um, do too much of vegetables or any other thing and not washing them is also the reason that coronavirus can spread. So we should also wash the vegetables and wash the fruits that we are taking from the whole market or bargaining from the market. We should also take care of that. Okay, then we can also other things, like if we are buying from the market, we should first sanitize ourselves first and then buy market, and also we should sanitize our things that we are buying from the market. This can be a fact that what are we eating and what we give in our food to other people or our family members, that can stop the influence of coronavirus. Mainly the coronavirus is spreading to the older people and youngsters, so we should take care of them and we should give them the food at every time. And whenever the coronavirus spread, so we should take care of him, and we should also give him quarantine for 14 days, giving lemon water and other things. So we should take care of him, and other things that can be influenced, like if we are keeping pets or other things, we should take care of them also. We should, like dogs, like cats, and if we are keeping birds also, we should take care of them. And cleanliness is the very important fact, that if we do not clean our house or if we do not clean our environment, then coronavirus can influence a lot. But if we clean our environment and if we clean ourselves also, we bath daily and we clean our environment and we clean our everything, our house also, then coronavirus will not spread, and it can also a reason that coronavirus can be stopped. With this I can I am stopping my seminar on coronavirus, and hope that you would understand that what I have said about coronavirus has been reached to you, and you can understand that what I've said is right. Thank you.